immediately. The doors of the plane will close in 5 minutes. Final boarding call for passengers Gemma and Ryan Gray.
Announcement 7. Passengers for flight TG126 to Bangkok, please go to gate 35. Announcement 8.
This is an announcement for passengers travelling to Amsterdam on flight KL1050. Will all passengers with express boarding tickets and passengers travelling with young children please go to gate 6 for boarding. That's all passengers with express boarding tickets and passengers travelling with young children go to gate 6 for boarding. Thank you.